This is what we are going to do when we have total separation. This is the clapping we are going to do. भाइयों और बहनों, मैंने पहले भी बोला, 3 सच थे मैंने जो बोला. पहला सच, we are Indians, isn't it? मेरा भारत महान, मेरा भारत महान, मेरा भारत, मेरा भारत. We are Indians. How dare they call us illegal immigrants? Let me tell them and let me teach them some history knowledge. मैं उनको इतिहास का थोड़ा पाठ पढ़ाती हूँ. Listen, मेरे भाइयों बहनों. In the record by ICHR, according to the record in the ICHR, out of 112 freedom fighters from Manipur, 112 freedom fighters from Manipur, there were more than 80 cookies. Now, मेरे भाई और बहनों, take out your mobile, calculate, please, fastest finger first, जल्दी calculate कर लो. 80 divided by 112 into 100 कितना बनता है? Come on. How many? Yes, 80 Kuki freedom fighters from Manipur out of 112. कितना प्रतिशत बनता है? 70%. And how dare they call us illegal immigrants? Point number 2. When the first Kuki uprising took place, ये जो uprising है, who did it? We were the first tribal group to uprise against the British rule. 1917 to 1919, isn't it? Our forefathers were freedom fighters. We were the first tribal group to rise against the British rule for our India's independence, and they call us refugees. They call us illegal immigrants. How dare they? We are Indians, isn't it? हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं, isn't it? मेरा भारत महान, मेरा भारत महान. Come on, let's shout. मेरा भारत, मेरा भारत, मेरा भारत. दूसरा सच. They say this is communal fight between Hindus and Christians. Let us laugh. हंसते हैं. This has never been सांप्रदायिक लड़ाई. It has never been a fight between Hindus and Christians because we love all religions, isn't it? Yeah. We love all. We respect all. We respect all. And I would like to tell the media people or whoever wants to come and visit our land, all the mandir, सारे जो मंदिर है हिली डिस्ट्रिक्ट में सारे वो सुरक्षित है, isn't it? All the मंदिर, all the temples सुरक्षित है. आप आओ हमारे हिली डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, आके देखिए, एक भी मंदिर का कुछ नहीं हुआ, एक भी पैसा का नुकसान नहीं हुआ, isn't it? We don't attack people. We don't touch any temples. We don't touch any mosques because we respect all. We love all. तीसरा सच. What they call us is what? What do they call us? They say, okay, let me tell you. In the recent जो अच्छा, now I will give you a very sensational news. एक बहुत सनसनी खबर, sensational news. I need drum roll, all of you. Drum roll, drum roll. Sensational news, sensational news. The Chief of Defence Staff, General Anil Chauhan ji, said, this is not about insurgents. This is a clash between ethnic groups, ethnicities. जब हमारे जनरल अनिल चौहान ने बोला कि this is not about insurgencies, this is not about counter insurgencies, it is about ethnicities. Why do they call us militants? Why do they call us terrorists? It is just a clash between ethnicities. That is what General Anil Chauhan ji has said. isn't it? So now my dear brothers and sisters, मेरे भाई और बहनों, I'll tell you, you know, I won't be surprised. I won't be surprised. मैं हैरान नहीं होंगी कि अगले दिन के खबर में वो बोलेंगे cookies are from space. We are aliens. हाँ भाइयों बहनों, हम अंतरिक्ष से आए हैं. We have come from the space. Oh, cookies are militants. We cannot prove that. Cookies are illegal immigrants. We cannot prove that, isn't it? Now, the next news will be, अरे cookies तो aliens है. They have come from outer space. अंतरिक्ष से आए हैं. What is this nonsense? Make up your mind. You cannot make up your mind because we are Indians. You have attacked our brothers and sisters. हम ये अत्याचार नहीं सहेंगे. We are here in solidarity to show our solidarity for our brothers and sisters whose houses have been burned, they have been killed, they have been forced out of their houses. What is this? Now let me tell you, my dear brothers and sisters, मेरे प्यारे भाई और बहनों, if they come and attack you, अगर कोई तुम्हारे घर में घुसेगा, एक चोर तुम्हारे घर में घुसेगा, obviously you're going to defend yourself, isn't it? If you come and attack me, if you come to my house, I will protect my daughters, I will protect my sons. If someone comes and attack you, won't you defend? And who is defending the villages? Who is defending the borders? Our tribal volunteers. My salute to our tribal volunteers who have been defending their villages. Isn't it? और मैं ये भी बोलना चाहती हूँ कि जो हमारे सुरक्षित कर रहे हैं, हमारे आर्मी पर्सनल, हमारे जो पैरामिलिट्री फोर्स है, I pay my highest respect to them. Let us clap for the army personnel, our paramilitary forces. They are the ones who are protecting us, isn't it? Jai Hind to all the army personnel. Jai Hind to all the paramilitary forces. Thank you for protecting us, and I would request the media people to give us fair representation. आपने देखा होगा हमारा सच, हम सच के सिवा क्या? We speak only the truth. झूठ नहीं बोलते. So we ask the media people to present what is fact. The fact, such number one, we are Indian. We are Indian. We are not illegal. We are not illegal immigrants. Such number two, which is we love all. We love all. We respect. Now, the third such is, it is called ethnic cleansing. मैंने जो बोला था, ethnic cleansing इसको बोलते हैं जातीय सफाई. You are targeting us because we are Kuki-Zo, isn't it? We come from Kuki-Zo tribal community. So, such number 10, it is what is called ethnic cleansing. So, my dear brothers and sisters, this is what is called ethnic cleansing. Lovely. Ethnic cleansing. Lovely. Ethnic cleansing. So, ये तीन सच है. We are Indians. We love all religion, and it is pure and simple ethnic cleansing. And my dear brothers and sisters, I would like all of you to stand up in respect of our nation. We are going to sing Sare Jahan Se Acha, and I would like all the leaders to come up on the stage, please. The student leaders, please come up on the stage. Reverend Ma, please come up. All of you, Sare Jahan Se Acha. Na-flag teo hey sangda win mo hey utina na-flag ka so come please come all the student leaders on the stage. We are going to sing Sare Jahan Se Acha. Student leaders, all of you, please. मैं न्यूज़ पर्सन को ये दिखाना चाहती हूँ कि जो हमारे राष्ट्र ध्वज है, our national flag. This is how we respect our national flag. Come on, raise up our national flag. We respect our Rashtraധ്waj, our national flag. And a big, we clap for our student leaders who have been working day and night. Lovely, lovely. Our student leaders, our CSO leaders, our church pastors who have been working day and night to bring us together. Sare Jahan Se Acha. I will lead it and all of us will sing loudly. All right. We are going to sing 2 verses. We will repeat the same verse. All right. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान